Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture on engineering physics. This lecture we are going to basically see why are we going for optical fiber cables rather than going for copper cables. Okay. So first reason being the fiber optical are safer. Okay, they are safer in operation. Okay. So if you take a 1 kilowatt power level, even a worst case fiber break releases at most a few millijoules of power with no high temperature arc. So अगर आप एक सिर्फ 1 किलोवाट पावर लेवल पर भी देखो तो वर्स्ट केस में फाइबर जो है वो अब मेरा सिर्फ एकदम ही थोड़ी सी मिलीजूल ऑफ पावर को एमिट करेगा और किसी तरह का हाई टेम्परेचर आर्क क्रिएट नहीं होगा. लेकिन वेराज अगर इसी तरह से कॉपर वायर अगर ब्रेक होता है, so by contrast, a break in a 1 kilowatt of electric power cable will almost certainly result in arc discharge and can deliver joules of energy. Okay, whereas in the case of copper, if 1 kilowatt of electric power cable अगर मेरी break होगी, that will result in discharge और वो बहुत ज़्यादा amount of energy release करेगा और that could be fatal for human beings. Okay, fiber optics at the maximum can cause some skin disease or irritation in eyes. Okay. Next reason being the fiber optics are lighter. Okay, so whenever you consider the case of copper, when you are talking about, as you all know, power is related as V square by R. Okay, so now if we do P by V square, that will be 1 by R. Okay, also you know R is equal to rho L by A. So you can write down P by V square is equal to 1 by rho L by A. Okay, so now you can say 1 by V square is directly proportional to A. Okay, so what does this equation suggest is for a conducting material. Okay, if you have a conducting material, for a smaller voltages there will be higher area of conductor will be required. If there is a higher area of conductor will be required, then it can be said that more weight is required. More weight is required. Okay, but whereas in the case of optical fiber, हमारे पास में क्या है? Optical fiber is a non-conducting material, so that's why it is lighter. Okay. So you can say that for many combinations of power and distance, optical fiber is much lighter than any other practical electrical cable. Even अगर हम एल्यूमिनियम की बात करें कि जो कि कॉपर से हाफ अमाउंट में ही हेवियर है, लेकिन वो स्टिल इट इज हायर देन द optical fibers. So optical fibers are basically lighter. Aluminum conductors are roughly half as heavy as copper for equivalent resistance, but still heavier than optical fibers even with no insulation. यहाँ तक कि अगर कोई insulation ना भी हो तो भी मेरा aluminum conductor will be still heavier than the fiber optics. Okay. Then fiber optics have no RF interference emissions. ठीक है. So basically आपने ये देखा होगा कि whenever two conductors are there, okay, when they are placed nearby, what will happen? There will be chances of producing mutually induced EMF. Okay, so sometimes you have heard about interference in your TV signal, or whenever you are talking to phone, you have heard sometimes disturbances. Okay, in the landline, because earlier there were transmission towers and the communication towers. Okay, when they are close to each other, they cause mutually induced EMF. Okay, that magnitude of mutually induced EMF is around j omega m into I. Okay, so because of that there is RF interference caused. But whereas in the case of fiber optics, as it is a non-conducting material, okay, it has no problem of such radio frequency interference or EMI interference. Okay. So copper wire on the other hand can leak signals and can be impacted by RFI. It can act as an antenna interfering with the data being sent along the cable. In extreme cases, copper wire can pick up the energy from nearby higher power transmitters, not only interfering with data transmission but potentially heating the wire. Extreme cases में क्या होता है कि copper wire जो है that can catch up energy, okay, from nearby power transmitters, okay, तो सिर्फ डेटा ट्रांसमिशन में ही इंटरफेयर करने की बजाय वो केबल को हीट भी कर देता है. देन फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स हैव हायर डेटा बैंडविड्थ. ठीक है, एक मल्टी मोड ऑप्टिकल फाइबर जो है इट कैन रेडिली ट्रांसमिट हाई बैंडविड्थ विद डेटा ओवर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंसेज ऑफ 500 मेगाहर्ट्ज पर किलोमीटर. ओके, कॉपर वायर हैव वेरी हाई लॉसेज एट हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी. Okay, so whenever you are talking about high frequency, multi-mode optical fiber can transmit 500 megahertz per kilometer, but whereas in the case of copper, it will have higher losses at high frequency. That's why we don't go for copper, we go for optical fiber. Okay, then optical fiber and copper cable both are having good durability. Okay, optical fiber has ultra pure silica glass used in optical fiber, has higher tensile strength. Okay, then fiber optics are more expensive as compared to copper cables. So if we are looking at the characteristics, we can say that whenever you are considering safety, which one is better? Optical fiber is better. Then if you are considering which one is lighter, optical fiber is lighter. Then you are considering which one have no RF interference, optical fiber doesn't have RF interference. Which have higher bandwidth, optical fiber have higher bandwidth. Durability, both are good, and expensive is fiber optics. So if you take there are more negative effects in the case of copper wire, hence we go for optical fibers. Okay, this is for this class. Next class we are going to discuss about the construction and other features. Thank you.